Hello guys, this is Jesse from JRNYMODS and welcome back to the channel. So yesterday and the day before I got two lights on the dashboard. One was the tire pressure light and the other one was the check engine light. Both of these are not related to each other, but they came very close to each other. In this video I want to show you these lights and I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. So stay tuned. So as you can see, as soon as I start up the car, the tire pressure light stays on. You can also see check tire pressure in the infotainment screen. This lets you know that your tires are probably low on pressure. You can also see that when filming this, the check engine light came on. So we have to diagnose that as well. So the reason why you get a tire pressure light has two possibilities. One, your tire pressure is low, or two, your sensor is broken. The most common would be that your tire pressure is low. To rule that out, I will fill my tires with air. In the Netherlands, you can do that at basically every gas station. Before I put money in the compressor, I will loosen my valve caps in case they're hard to remove. In this case, you can see me struggling with the second one because for some reason it was on there very tight. It was also the same on the other two wheels. When you finish removing all your valve caps, you can go to the compressor and insert some money, if it's not free, and set the amount of PSI or bar to the correct settings which is fitting for your car and tire. Fill it up till you hear a beep. If you don't know your correct measurements, you can mostly find them in your owner's manual or on your door sills. The correct measurements for my Mazda are 2.3 bar in the front and 2.2 bar in the back. When you're done, the tire pressure lights should normally go away within a few minutes. If not, maybe your sensor is broken. Okay, so now on to the check engine light. To diagnose this car, I use this thing called an OBD scanner or an OBD reader. It's cheap and you can buy it from Amazon or eBay. I think I paid around 20 bucks for this one. It connects through an app which uses Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. I don't think it really matters which one you buy because they work the same. There are a lot of apps that you can connect it with. I use the app Torque. I will show you how you can diagnose this car with the scanner and see if we can fix and remove the code. I will link the specific scanner in the description below. Okay, so on the Mazda Speed 3 or Mazda MPS, the OBD port is right here. It's below the steering wheel. On the left side, you can see it. Sometimes it's hard to put it in.
That's what she said.
I'm gonna try and show you. So yeah, it's right here. Yeah, you can see the little light starts flashing. Alright, so it's in. So once you're connected with the car, you can run a diagnostics. You can do this by pressing fault codes, which you can see is on top of the list. It then scans the whole car and shows you its current fault codes. Mine came back with a P0506 code, which has something to do with the idle control on lower RPM. I got the same code about 3 months ago, and when I erased it, it didn't come back until now. I looked the code up and it seems to be a very common code. It can be a dirty intake manifold or an oxygen sensor. I don't think it's a very big issue because the car runs and drives without problems. I will erase it again, and if it comes back within a few weeks I will address it then. It seems to come up when I drive with a very empty tank, which I don't do very often. To erase the code, you just press clear fault codes. It will ask if you're sure, you press yes, and it will reset your check engine light. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. If you liked the video, consider liking and subscribing. Take care guys, and keep on modding.